In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log weight on MyFitnessPal in a detailed and straightforward manner. Let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable with each step. First up, you'll need to start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you have the app open, the next step is to locate and click on the login button. This is your gateway into all the features that MyFitnessPal offers, so go ahead and tap on that. Now, it'll prompt you to enter your email address and password. Be sure to double check your entries here to avoid any login issues. Once your details are correct, you can move right along by clicking on the login button again. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you track your daily intake and activities. From here, you want to shift your focus to the progress section. Go ahead and click on progress. This is where you'll enter all your weight details and more. Once you're inside the progress section, keep an eye out for the plus sign. Click on this to start logging your weight. This plus sign is your friend. It's used to add new entries, whether it's your weight or any additional progress data. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to enter your weight. Be honest about your current weight. Accurate entries are essential for tracking your real progress over time. In addition to logging your weight, you have the option to enhance your tracking by adding a progress photo. Taking a visual record of your journey can be incredibly motivating. If this interests you, look for the option to add a photo and select a picture that represents your current status. Once you've entered your weight and any optional progress photos, there's just one final step. You'll need to confirm and save your entries by clicking on the check button. This action ensures that your data is being saved and tracked in the app, helping you keep an accurate record of your weight management journey. Voila! That's all it takes to log your weight in MyFitnessPal. By consistently following these steps, you can keep an organized record of your weight changes, which is invaluable for understanding your health patterns over time. Remember, regular logging can significantly enhance your commitment and insight into your fitness journey. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Be sure to revisit this video anytime you want a refresher on these steps. Thank you for joining me today and happy logging.